Hello traders, welcome back to Algo Trading. Yes traders, you can see here today's date is 23. Yes, today's date is 23 June 2025 and time is 9:17. Already our market is open and we have set our dashboard also, and this is our weekly expiry of this week is 26 and monthly expiry is 26. Please make sure you have to run this Algo software with this parameter properly. Well traders, just now have turned on our Algo trading, that is live trade, and set today's exact date. Okay, let's move on to our main page, that is market watch. Here only you can set with more strategies like 1 2 3 4 5. There are till 4 strategies here, and you can just see strategy 1 momentum, strategy 2 support. Like this we have 4 strategies. If you change just one strategy, the buy level target, sell level target, everything will get changed with their strategy's name. Well traders, this is how our software look like, and yes guys, yeah, our market is already open and we are waiting for our above and below levels to take. Okay, yes, here you can see we are here you can see the market, it is waiting for above and below levels. Let's just for example, Nifty call option. Here our LTP is running with 218 points, and here our buy level was at 258. So like this will wait for our above and below levels, and you can see here we can see here where it will shows as waiting for above and below levels. Okay, this is our target and this is our sell levels. This is all instruments of option trading intraday, and you can see everything is mentioned properly here. And well traders, I just want to show you one more thing here. Once again, here. And well traders, I just want to show you one more thing, and this is our trading analysis sheet, this Excel trading analysis sheet. And here you can see detailedly. First you have to enable auto fresh, or after enabling this, just set today here. After setting today here, you'll get automatically today's date, and apply filter. You have to apply filter here, and you can see this is a summary chart. This is a trade history where you can see all the trading instruments like directions, quality, entry, exit type, points, profit and loss, and status. Status is where it is, which instrument is, which stock is entry and which stock is completed. Like this you can see. Yes guys, we are waiting for above and below levels, still not yet executed anything. So one is about to execute here, and you can see this is a bank Nifty put option. It is about to execute, so it is waiting for above and below levels. Well traders, we'll just wait and watch what happens, and I'll just keep watching like this only. Okay, if you want to buy our software traders, you can just visit our website called www.exceltrader.in. And if you want to buy your software, that is cost of rupees 4,999, and if you want a monthly also, there is a monthly plan available now for 999. Okay, if you want any support, you have there is a description there is a number in our description box. You can go and see there, and even you can visit our website, which is link below in description. Okay guys, I think you are clear about this. And before opening our software traders, make sure you have to open your broking analysis terminal. After opening your broking analysis terminal, and after getting that login successfully, and next you have to open our main page. This is Excel. We'll just guide you how to use it, and no need to take a lot of tension here, because after using 2-3 times you will become very friendly using of this. And just I want to say you one thing, that after purchasing our software, there is a paper trade or live trade available here without adding a fund also. Yes guys, this is what we provide without adding fund. We advise you that just paper trade or do live trade for a week and just see how our software works. Based on that, you can put your fund and take a live trade. Just watch how you want and get used to it first. Okay, as traders, you can see here time is 9:42 and already 3 orders are placed, that is Nifty 2 and Bank Nifty 1. Let's mark now with Nifty. Let's open the order book here. This is where our orders will get executed, and you can see there is rejected option here because we don't have funds, because we need to do demo all time, so we don't put fund here and show you. And even I suggest you that please before adding your fund here, and please make sure to get used to this software, and later on you just transfer the fund and take a trade, AlgoTrader. Okay, traders, I will open Nifty chart now. Nifty entry was at 70. Just mark, this was today's session, and entry was at 70 exactly here, and this was our buy. I'll just mark it as buy, and here 24. Okay, and you can see this is where our buy level was generated, and market is almost going up. Well, traders, this is put option. This is put option, and strike price is 24,650. Now next we'll come back for Bank Nifty. I'll just open the chart here. Even Bank Nifty also, there is a strike of put option only. Meanwhile, you can see here the market is going upwards, and we'll just mark here Bank Nifty. Even this is also Nifty, that is entry was taken at 58.50. Even point also is very important. Here where buy was generated, and I'll just mark it as buy here, and okay. And next we'll move on to Bank Nifty. I just mark you and show. Bank Nifty buy was generated at 166. That is 166. Exactly here, and we'll just mark it as buy here also, and we'll wait for target or trailing stop loss. We'll just see here now, and in our trading analysis sheet you can see all are in pending because just now it is entry and we are waiting for to get complete. Okay, and here it will show how many trades are got, total trades are completed, and winning rate, total profit and losses, average per trade profit and loss. Okay, as traders, now we are waiting here in Nifty, Bank Nifty, everything I have marked it. Yes, even there is a trailing stop loss in our software. We have activated the trailing stop loss in our software. If it is markedly almost higher than our buy level, it will take a trailing stop loss or target. If it is lower, it is getting lower, suddenly it is getting lower, or the market is falling from a buy level, before it will take a trailing stop loss, or it will just complete the trade. It will just close the trade within a few seconds with minimum of losses or minimum of profit. Yes, traders, you can see almost Nifty put option is rejected here. I mean a sell is done. That is Nifty put option 24,600. That is the second option, second trade, which was taken at 9:39, and it is squared off at 9:47. Within 10 minutes, within 8 minutes, everything is done here. And yes, we'll see in our trading analysis sheet that is there was a profit. There is a profit and it is target hitted, and you can see yes, so detail it is mentioning here, like with 150 quantity of entry of 58, that is a second entry of 58 and exit of 71. You can see Yes, one more trade is on profit. Yes guys, you can see it is going everything automatically. That is we'll just see here. Yes, even Bank Nifty is also squared off with 2000 profit. I'll just come one by one. Okay, we are here on the Nifty put option, that is 24,600. Entry was at 58, exit was at 71, and it is target hit. See, you can see so clearly here our target is hit with 12 points and it is profit of rupees 1900 plus. Now next, coming for Nifty, entry was at 70, exit was at 87, and it is target hit with 17 points, that is 2600 plus profit. And next will come for Bank Nifty put option. Entry was at 166, exit was at 203. It is target hit with points of 36 and 2500 plus profit. Yes guys, this is all three are got with profit hit with the target, not also a trailing stop loss. It is hit with the target. And now let's mark with any one, that is a Bank Nifty only will take it. Entry was at 166, entry was at 70, and you can see exit was at entry was at 166 and exit was at 203. We'll just open this Bank Nifty and we'll see the exit here, that is 203. I'll just mark 203 here. Exactly here our target is done, that is TGT. Our target is hit. Okay, this was our buy level. Okay, this was our buy level. Buy level took place at 166, exit at 203. I'll show you here. Buy level was at entry was at 166, exit was at 203. How many points? 36 points up from our buy level, and that is 2500 plus profit with the target hit. Yes guys, this is how our software works. Hope you like it. And yes, everything is done automatically here. No need to sit and watch regularly. Even we have a Telegram alerts too. Even you will get a Telegram alerts too. Okay, once if you open our software and see, you can also get a Telegram alerts again and again, which you can see in your mobile only. Okay, this is how our software works. Hope you watch so carefully. Well guys, if you want to see our full video, just speed up our video and enjoy. Okay, as traders, you can see here 3 orders are completed, 3 trades are completed with winning rate of 100%. You can see with the all 3 are hit with the target with a good profit, and with the profit and loss of rupees, total profit and loss of rupees, profit of rupees 7000 plus, and average per profit is 2300 plus. This is how our summary shows, and this is a trade history. We'll just watch here every day and take a trade. We are not able to take a trade. It will take everything automatically, buy automatically and send automatically. So it is called as Excel Algo trading. Okay guys, okay, now we'll just wait for a while to take a next instrument to get fired. Okay, as traders, I'll just close our live record here only. Well traders, आप हर बार यही वीडियो देखते रहेंगे, प्रॉफिट दिखाऊंगी, लॉस दिखाऊंगी, आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या? आप देख के तो परचेज तो करना चाहिए ना. ओके, इफ़ यू लाइक योर सॉफ्टवेयर ज़रूर परचेज कर दीजिए, और आपको कुछ क्वेरीज है तो कॉल कर दीजिए, कुछ डाउट्स है तो कॉल कर दीजिए. देयर इज़ नो यूज़ ऑफ सीइंग वीडियोज़ एवरी डे एंड यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी लीगल एक्शंस फॉर दैट. आपकी एक्शंस रहे तो आपका प्रॉफिट जो है, आपका अर्निंग्स जो है इधर सेव रहेगा. आपको जिसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है ऑटो ट्रेडिंग करके देखिए. इसी लाइव ट्रेड में ऐसा पूरा टारगेट हिट हुआ है, 7000 प्रॉफिट दिखा रहा है, कौन दिखाएगा ऐसा सब? सो गाइज, देयर इज़ नो यूज़ ऑफ सीइंग वीडियोज़ एवरी डे एंड जस्ट लीव इट ऑफ. ओके, आई जस्ट वांट यू टू परचेज एंड सी. आपको सिर्फ 5000 में कोई भी नहीं देगा इतना अच्छा सा सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, please buy your software and enjoy your trading. Thank you.